Want this? Number 1. 2. 3. Now let's get started. Get your clips. Go to Effects and select Rebound Swing. Copy it and adjust it to both clips. At the second clip effect, make intensity to 6. Next effect. Add keyframe at the middle and end of the first clip. Zoom in a little bit at last keyframe. And then zoom second clip like this. Add the transition mix and adjust it 0.1s. Now add the animation in Add Zoom to add the second clip. Now add the effect motion blur. Make it as small as possible and adjust it between clips. Make a graph ease 1 at first clip keyframes. Next effect. Take a screenshot of second clip start. Take an overlay of the screenshot. Adjust it to the full screen. Now click Mask and select Rectangle. Adjust it like this. Now add keyframes in left middle center. Zoom out a little bit at middle keyframe. Now follow what I do. Now make a graph ease out 1 and ease in 1. Now add transition camera pull out. Now we are done. Please like and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.